Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the timeless wisdom of Robert Greene's 48 Laws of Power. In today's video, we'll be diving into Law 5. So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Reputation is a powerful tool that can either propel you to success or leave you in the shadows. Let's explore how to leverage this law and apply it in our lives. But before we begin, if you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Law 5 states, "So much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life." Your reputation precedes you in any field or social circle, and it can either open doors or slam them shut. Let's understand this law with an example. Imagine a talented artist named Alex. He possesses incredible painting skills but lacks exposure in the art world. Alex understands that his talent alone won't guarantee success. He decides to attend an art exhibition where influential art critics and gallery owners are present. Alex approaches a renowned art critic and engages in a conversation. They discuss various art forms, historical movements, and the significance of artistic expression. Alex demonstrates their knowledge and passion for art, leaving a positive impression. Alex recognizes the importance of building a reputation within the art community. He continues attending exhibitions, contributing insightful articles to art magazines, and engaging with other artists and enthusiasts online. Over time, Alex's reputation as a talented and knowledgeable artist grows. Gallery owners start taking notice of his work, leading to invitations for solo exhibitions and collaboration opportunities. By guarding his reputation with care, Alex becomes a respected and sought-after artist in the art world. He unlocked new opportunities, secured lucrative commissions, and his work reaches a wider audience, all because he understood the power of reputation. Now, let's discuss how we can use Law 5, guard your reputation with your life, in our own lives. Be authentic. Build your reputation on genuine qualities and values. By staying true to yourself, you'll attract like-minded individuals who appreciate your authenticity. Deliver consistently. Consistency is key to building and maintaining a strong reputation. Strive to consistently deliver high-quality work, be it in your profession, personal relationships, or any endeavor you pursue. Network and collaborate. Actively engage with others in your field of interest. Attend industry events, join online communities, and seek collaboration opportunities. By associating yourself with respected individuals, you enhance your own reputation. Remember, reputation takes time to build but can be tarnished in an instant. Protect it vigilantly by avoiding actions or behaviors that may harm your standing. That's it for today's video on Law 5 of the 48 Laws of Power. We hope you found this discussion insightful. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the remaining laws of power and other self-improvement topics. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember to guard your reputation with your life.